Alright, we're back. Just ran out of juice with the battery on the old cordless, so we're gonna throw the battery on the charger real quick. We almost got to the end. We just need to sand a little bit more of that powder coat off, and then wipe it all down. We'll wipe it down with acetone, make sure it's good and clean. We got to put 2 more little clamps on so we can remove this one and do that spot there and that spot there. But other than that, we'll be ready to go. We'll get the little Harbor Freight MIG welder out here, the old Central Pneumatic or whatever it is. Got that from my buddy Brian. He's done left us now, but the welder is continuing to do the work. It was literally brand new. When I got it, it hadn't even been used. So nice, appreciate it, Brian. We'll get. I got a massive extension cord. I made a huge extension cord. When the electrician come and put the 220 in the garage, I asked him if what I had was proper. He said, it's overkill. It's more than enough. And the length of the extension cord, according to him, doesn't make any difference on amp draw or whatever, as long as the wire is bigger than necessary. If it was right at or less than necessary, then of course it's going to get hot and draw. So we've got about a 50-foot extension cord. It's this big around. So we'll put the welder right here. We'll put the welder in a gas bottle right here, and we'll go to town and get it going. So while we put the battery on the charger, I'm gonna get me a coffee and listen to a little bit more of the second half of the football game here. That's it for now. We'll bring you some more as we're getting her done. Talk to you soon. Oh, intercepted.